Hi guys! So I went on a little walk today and I found some pretty cool things I want to show you. First, I found this. Do you guys know what this is? It looks pretty old and there's a whole bunch of ants crawling all over it. Yeah, this is a bird's nest, an old bird's nest. I found it on the ground and it's a little squished up. What do you guys think that bird's nest is made out of? Yeah, I see grass and sticks, and it looks a little like dried mud. Like maybe that's what the birds use to hold the nest together. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's kind of small, about the size of my hand. Not a super big nest. And next I found this really cool piece of bark. And after looking at the bark, I thought it looked a little funny. Here is my piece of bark I found. It's a big piece of bark. Here's the outside. And here's the inside. What do you guys see? You see all those cool little marks? I think an insect made one of those marks. Do you guys know what would make that kind of a mark? It's pretty cool. It's so pretty today. So maybe you guys can go out on a little walk and try to find some cool things. Like maybe a nest, some cool bark, maybe some sticks, maybe some really cool rocks. I love looking for rocks. All right, bye guys.